So today, your first thinking task is this. We're going to give you, in your table, a group. You are 3 to a group and 2 groups per table. We're going to give you a list, a little group of items. And in each envelope are about 15 things. That part. We're going to begin by giving you an envelope with about 15 different items. And you and your table group are going to go through the items. Then you need to decide which of these are most important to least important. But here's the trick. We want you to be thinking not like boys and girls. Although each of these items on these pieces of paper are things that boys and girls your age probably would love to have. We don't want you to think like boys and girls. We want you to think like you are parents or grown-ups who are responsible for caring for these boys and girls. And your job as a parent or grown-up who's responsible for the boys and girls, we want you to decide which one of these things, these items, you would want to make sure your child has first. What would be the most important thing? And then I want you to think about what do you think they would want second, or you would need to make sure they have second of all. Third, all the way down to what do you think are the things that maybe as a parent or grown-up you wouldn't be as worried about making sure that they have.
So for each 3 groups?
Yeah, you and are you guys together, the 3 of you?
Actually, yeah, they need a bed. Yeah, they need to have a nice meal, right?
I think the next one should be family to eat, because you're going to need family to get a cell phone. No, wait.
Is that top of your list? No. What is at the top of your list?
Clean water.
Clean water, and then what?
Good food.
Okay.
Home, schools, a cell phone.
So why did you put clean water way up there?
Because if you want to stay healthy and have stay healthy nicely, you would need clean
This
water.
one here, because I put capital letters, that's good thinking. So Austin paid attention to the fact that I put capital letters.
Yeah,
And
that's
that gives
what
it
I
like a
think too.
title.
Yeah.
That's right. So that's what makes the difference. So if it's a McDonald's, if it was a different kind of meal, what's another kind of happy meal that you might have at your house?
And that is something you would really eat delicious.
Yeah, that would make you happy. What would be a meal that would make you happy?
Cake, when you had someone.
Okay, so if it was cake, where would that fit?
Probably close to a house and a school, because like usually you have birthday parties in your house and or from your friends from your school. They give you parties and they ask you to come in.
Okay. What if you each did one? What's one other thing you might add? What would you add to this? What's something you might think that you might ask for from a grown-up that's not on here?
So I got the ending.
Which one?
A play date?
Okay, you could write that down.
Take them to a birthday.
Okay, a birthday party. Okay, so
Actually, thinking about it, not knowing what kind of kid is, that's what toys you need. So I don't know where I'm at. Like they could be 13 or something.
okay.
You got a mini mic.
I do. All right, so what did you guys put? You put family, love, a home. So at the bottom, what do you have? Can you read all the things you have at the bottom for me?
Toys, then video games, then Happy Meal, then a chocolate bar, then a trip to Disneyland.
Okay. So why did you decide those things needed to come to the very last?
Because it ain't anything at poor things.
No. Okay. With.
They need good food
Okay.
that they can have, like baby food that they can eat and don't starve to death.
Okay. All right.
Maybe we're lost somewhere. If we don't have a cell phone, and like maybe it's night, we can't find anybody.
Okay.
And maybe we get up and see there's nobody home.
Okay.
And
So.
that's why we think cell phones are good.
Okay. So kind of for your safety.
Yeah.
Is that what you're thinking? Okay.
So we should be. Oh, let's put.
Friends here, like
Trying to play. Near school.
near school.